The project is titled the Ricart Design Lab, and it's a proposal for an innovative community-focused design facility located in the old industrial district of Provincials de Poblano in Barcelona. The site is currently in a construction phase, whereby an urban scheme known as the At-22 plan is transforming the late 19th century Ricart factory into a university site, along with luxury residential lofts in an effort to transform the area into a knowledge-intensive zone. However, the surrounding neighbourhood is broken, with vast amounts of lost space due to both privatisation and neglect. The proposal aims to find a balance between the community and progression by integrating the current plan into the design. Here, the luxury lofts are instead to be transformed into a material reuse centre and a design lab, enabling all people of the community a chance to interact, experiment and collaborate to become a voice of change whilst transforming the area using reclaimed materials. The concept of the building explored ideas of embodied memory within built form, respecting the old and using it to advance stories into the future. Here, by building in layers, enabled the memory to be retained, preserving past narratives, and merging the old and the new into a new complex that can showcase time and decay as a way of life. These ideas accumulated into addressing the architecture as a collection of memories, each collected and reconfigured to create new stories and habitable spaces. Using ideas from the mosaics of Barcelona and Libya's woods to take fragments to strategically fashion their form, leading to a sculptural mass that had become a symbolic structure. The lower layer becoming the fabrication layer, where here the existing large open space is utilised into a workshop capable of housing large-scale designs, featuring two fabrication zones nestled between the structural steel columns, whilst the upper layer becomes the creation layer, a place for teaching, learning, experimentation and connection. Here the design optimizes open space to provide the feeling of interconnection across activities. Within the creation layer, a private design firm is housed on upper level, aiding the users to generate the experience into reality and enhance the local area. The building features a separation on layers, distinctively showing the old and new as individual components in one system. Here, the air gap provides space for the environmental system. A network of pipes that optimize air intake for the summer, pushing cool air into the spaces. Once inside, the stale air can then escape through the heat exhausts that are within the structural steel columns. These can be altered to optimize comfort across the whole year with baffles internally to limit the amount of heat loss in winter periods, along with restricted winter intake pipes. The structure consists of a concrete core along with 8 structural steel columns that both support a floor slab, enabling the building to be separated. As for the facade, it is wrapped in fragments of reclaimed materials, each differing in size and shape. Here, the panels help to solidify the concept of embodied memory, whereby the appearance of the architecture can be adjusted and represent different times. The overall scheme will revive the former factory to the present day, while still honouring its historic roots. The adjacent spaces and future sites of transformation across the neighbourhood become a product of this lab, thus creating an interconnected neighbourhood held together with the memory and identity of those who live there.